gotta get closer.
There you go. Front right. Get closer to him so Jeff can take your picture.
Oh, I'm shooting video right now.
Oh, okay.
Do not be afraid of overfeeding. Seagulls are dainty eaters.
Hey, can you take a picture of the seagulls on the sign?
No. Because he moved.
Oh, there's a lot of them. Oh, someone threw something out in the water.
Yeah. Oh, look. Nom 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 nom.
Here, I have one for you. You're smart. Here.
He's making seagull noises.
Yeah. Just walk right up to it.
Yeah, just walk right up to it.
Slowly.
Yeah, just walk right up to it. He won't. How can he bite you? He doesn't have teeth.
Take a still shot of her holding it out like that?
I can when I play it on the camera. How about, well, try one of these guys. Oh, I can't see that one at all now. Did you catch it? Oh, nice catch.
Whoa, fighting. Somebody eat the front side.
Roof's a little slippery up there, guys. Woo! They're trying to walk on the roof and they were sliding.
Well, everything in your purse is getting wet, Mom. I want to put it on you.
Here's Jill feeding the seagulls. You're out? All gone? All gone, guys. Almost. Oh, wait, Alyssa's got a fry down there.
I did it!
I was...
He took it!
Did he take it or he dropped it?
No, he took it!
I think I got it on video. Again! Okay, Alyssa, I'm zoomed in on you.
Here he goes with your food.
Thank you, human! Okay, oh, here's Jill doing it.
He took it!
I don't think I got that. I think Alyssa was in the way. Oh, here we go.
Good job! Here, baby. That was fun.
It's like, well, if you're not going to do it, I'll take it.
Got one more piece. He wants
Oh, he looked at it. He looked at it.
You can take it. Here it comes. Oh, never mind.
Is that it? Are they gone?
That's it. That was fun.